we're Joe Kimbo. So happy to have you guys back with us in today's video. Today we're going to look at rhythm dice games. I think this is a pack of games and ideas for us to play in the classroom, right? And it comes in a pack with instructions and worksheet and some board games and a pack of dice.
So this is the close-up of the rhythm dice games where you have 20 dice and the whole pack is printed in A4 size. So this is the cover. And this was done in 2004, printed in Canada.
Included in the pack, they have student worksheet to work on mostly note values, I see, right? They have a few, how many worksheets do they have?
7 worksheets.
And the next few
are the series of games.
Okay, games, says tabletop. So for each of the games, it's written, you know, like what the game is about and the materials needed, and directions and things. Yeah.
And in some games, you will need a pencil. Yeah, most of these games they need a pencil to write down.
And in this game called Skills and Slides, is one of the games that need a game board.
Which looks like this. So this is an imitation of snakes and ladders.
Okay. And racetrack.
Racetrack.
With a game board that looks like.
Oh, that looks like this.
Yep. I think we can try and play racetrack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Racetrack. Okay. And what do we? Oh.
Yeah, and in the pack you have many game boards for skills and slides, and also for racetrack. That's about it.
All right. So we're zooming into racetrack, one of the games in the pack. And this is also our first time looking at the games. This is, I think, the rules and directions, yeah. Oh, and this is how the game board will look like. Yeah. Would you like to help me read the?
Yeah, sure. The object of this game is to be the first to get around the racetrack. And the materials you need is each group needs 1 racetrack game board, markers, and at least 1 die, which is what we have here.
So our markers will be the pom-poms that we chose, okay? Yes.
And you're supposed to form groups of 2 students. You may decide who goes first by rolling a die. The highest note value goes first. Shall we try?
Okay, so I'll go, yeah?
Whoa! It's a tie. Okay, let's roll again.
Oh,
come on.
That time's a charm, that time's a charm. Oh.
Alright. So Joe will go first. Okay. So the play continues until someone reaches the finish, which is here. You do not need to roll the exact number of counts on the die to go out. So for a whole note, you have 4 beats, therefore you go 4 spaces ahead. Half note, 2 spaces, quarter note, 1 space, 8 notes, 1 space, quarter rest, miss the turn.
Oh no.
Oh no.
So the a pair of 8 notes, yeah? So okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the dotted half note will go 3 spaces.
Okay.
Shall we start?
So, yes, let's put our markers at start. Which color would you like?
I would like the red.
Okay, then
and I'll be here.
Okay, then I'll take the green. No, we have to start here,
Oh
I think.
yeah. Okay, sorry.
So you go first because you had dotted half note.
Yeah. It's 4 spaces.
Okay, good. And now my turn. I'm cheating out. 4. Give me another centigrade 4. Oh my goodness! You laughed too soon.
Oh.
No, something's wrong with the die.
Oh, come on. Yes.
Alright. nice.
Yeah, catching
1,
up.
2, 3, 4.
1.
Yeah, see that. Hello.
Oh, catching up.
2. Ay, yikes.
Oh no.
Whoa. And
One
one
space. 2.
See.
Oh,
it is
Kim is turn. 52.
For me.
One space again. Yeah.
Yay, finish. So that was a fun game. Okay, so I think we can, of course, do many more stuff with the things that we have from the pack, like this pack of dice, right? There are 20 of them. One of the things that we could do maybe is to, well, roll the dice and create a rhythmic ostinato. Yeah, so maybe we can choose like 6 dice and put it in a box. Oops, sorry. Put it in a box and we just roll, and then we see what rhythms they could have to make a rhythm ostinato. Yeah.
Game. We will have 6 dice where they will all be put into the box and shake it up. So Kimbo will show you.
So let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, that's nice.
We will pick 4 beats of rhythm. So maybe I'll choose this. And that's our ostinato for the day.
Alright.
There are many ways to play the rhythmic ostinato. You can make your students clap the rhythm, or play it on body percussion, or also rhythm percussions. And in our example today, we're going to use stationaries.
Yeah, and I chose the stapler and the ruler.
And I chose 2 highlighter pens.
Yes. So shall we try and keep this rhythm?
Okay.
1, 2, ready, go.
As you can see earlier, we make the TT a different gesture from the ta. This rhythmic ostinato can be played over any piece of music that is in 4/4 time. And today we are in the mood of Viennese musical clock by Zoltan Kodály. And we are going to play this rhythmic ostinato over the theme of the piece. Alright, so besides the stationaries that we used just now, there are many other options where you can have pens, where they play this way, yeah, and you could have rulers as well, yeah, many options.
Yeah, and if we were to use any longer note values in the ostinato, we could, I don't know, we were looking for keys, and we could have a, like for the...
To prolong the rhythm value.
Yeah. Many other things.
Yeah. So for the theme that you heard just now in Viennese musical clock, there are actually many repetitions in the whole piece. So then you can have the students listen, and when the theme appears, that's the rhythm ostinato that you can play along.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So when it's not the theme that is playing, we could ask the students to keep a beat, right?
Yeah,
or
just
just
the stationaries.
or they could move around the room or something like that, and then get back to their place and then continue the
Yes, with the rhythmic ostinato.
Yeah, I think that's good. Yes.
Cool.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video and it's helpful for your teaching journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.